with our unique way of creating a template. They're going to give you everything you need to do this. It's so simple, and you'll see a little surprise we have for you later on. Step 3 is to put the online course in front of people who already want it. And this is where you're going to cash out. The best part is these people will have their wallets in their hand ready to buy, and that's where you make money. We're going to dive in here shortly.
If that sounds easy enough, that's because it is. So go ahead and type a 1 in the chat box. If you're pumped up, you've got your notes ready, you're ready to go because we're about to jump into step 1. Type in the chat box right now a 1. Let me know that you're in, you're pumped up, excited, and you're ready to start taking notes.
All right, the ones are coming in. I see 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. The ones are coming in so fast that it's hard to keep track. I see Jason's put like 20 ones in there, so Jason's really ready. All right, Mike, so I think they're ready to go. Let's continue.
Okay, so here we are at step 1. Now, step 1, so simply, is to find someone who has an online course. And remember our goal, right? When we get into this method, remember that we want to make $250 to $500 multiple times per day. And you want to do that as quick as possible with the least amount of work needed. And we have a shortcut. Online courses are a great way to do that. And the reason why is because you can make a ton of cash fast. Now, all online courses are videos that you can watch online that teach you something. It's just a video training that you can access from your computer. That's all. It's that simple, and they're so powerful. Just take a look at how enormous this industry is. Forbes has the online learning industry at $107 billion by 2015. Business Insider says that it will be $200 billion by 2024, and LearnDash has it at $325 billion by 2025. What that means is the online learning industry is your golden ticket to making money online. And the reason why is because there's an enormous amount of money being spent in this industry and a huge opportunity for you to make money as well. And even better, it's almost impossible for you to lose if you follow what we're going to show you today. But there's a catch. The catch is that creating your own online course takes dozens of hours of work. It takes a ton of technical know-how, and we don't want that. So you are not going to create your own online course. I repeat, you do not need to create your own online course. If you have one, great. This will still work for you, but you do not need an online course. What we're going to do instead is we're going to partner with someone that already has a course done. That's it. We're going to partner with someone that already has a course. Now, here's how we'll make money. What we're going to do is find someone with an online course and partner with them. What we're going to do is we're going to sell a ton of their course to people that already want the course, and this is super easy. We'll show you how to do this shortly. Then you'll make $250 to $500 multiple times per day, and you don't need any experience at all to do this successfully. How awesome does that sound? Type a 1 in the chat box if that kind of income to you without having to do that much work sounds great. Type 1 in the chat box right now. See lots of 1s coming in. Awesome. Joe says 1. Adrian says 1. Bob says 1. Mike, good name, says 1. All right. Let's keep going. Now let's go ahead and get started, right? First, you need someone that has an online course, just like we mentioned. What we're going to do, really important, is call this person Bob. So remember, this person's name, we're going to reference him as Bob, someone that has an online course. Now, because we are partnering with Bob, you do not need your own course. And you're probably wondering, why would Bob do this? Why would he agree to do this, right? He's got an online course of his own already. Why does he need you? What's the benefit? And the reason why Bob would do this is because he doesn't know marketing. He's got an awesome course and he's great at creating content, but he doesn't know marketing, which means his course isn't making a lot of money. He doesn't know how to make more money, but we do. And there's no risk to Bob at all. This is completely free to do. The truth is that any person with an online course wants more money and wants more sales. Why not, right? So when we partner with him, you're going to just help him do that very easily with our super simple formula that we're going to reveal here in this workshop. As a result, you'll make $250 to $500 multiple times per day. Now, this is an enormous opportunity because there's tens of thousands of Bobs in every single niche and virtually no competition. You can do this from anywhere in the world. And the thing is that Bob's already making sales. He's just making a huge mistake and he doesn't even know it. Right now, Bob is making a huge mistake while selling his course. He's selling his course for like $10 on online learning platforms and marketplaces across the web. These platforms take 50%, which means he's only going to make approximately $5 for every single sale. Bob has this mindset that he's going to make a lot of money by selling a huge quantity of his course at $10, right? But that's not a lot of money. Bob's course is actually worth $1,000 to $2,000 or more. And there are other courses